Hello viewers, welcome to BotPenguin. Today we will discuss about how can you change your password on the BotPenguin platform. So when you sign up on the BotPenguin platform, you set a password there. Now if you want to change the password, you can do it from the BotPenguin platform itself. On the left hand side, you'll find different options. To update your password, you have to click on the more option right here. Then you have to click on the My Account option. In the My Account section, you'll find two different subsections, account and password. To update your account information, you can do it from the account section. And if you wish to change your password, you have to go to the password section right here. Here you have to enter your current password. And here you have to enter your new password and then you have to confirm your new password. For the demo purpose, I am entering this password here. After setting your new password, you have to click on the update password button here to save these changes. And as you can see, the password has been changed. Now you have to log in to your BotPenguin platform again with the new password. You have to enter the email address here and you will enter the new password that you have set right here. And then after you click on the login button, you will land on the BotPenguin platform. So that was how you can update your password on the BotPenguin platform. If you need any help, you can refer to our help documentation. The link of the same will be provided in the description box below. Thank you.